Well, hello there. Good morning. It is Vlogtober, the 11th, y'all. We making it. We're pushing through. I just want to say good morning, guys. Welcome you in to another day of Vlogtober. Welcome back to another video. Y'all, it's a wonderful day. So y'all know what today is, right? We're gonna switch around this sitting room and get things done, right? So yeah. So guys, we're gonna have a little tea time with our coffee. So get y'all's water, orange juice, whatever you like. Right now, everybody's like pumpkin spice. So get your pumpkin spice in your life. So anyway, guys, we are the Lord's heirs. We are his heirs, okay? So whatever he went through, some of the things that he went through, we're gonna go through. But it's all right, because he told us to trust him. He told us to trust him, have faith, keep believing strong, and don't stop, right? So that's what we have to do. So, and everything you do, guys, in life in general, calamities, the things that we see every day, you still have to have hope that we can overcome, okay? Without hope, without faith, you won't be able to survive. You just won't. You really won't. Now, who's blowing their horn early in the morning? So, guys, keep the faith no matter what. Stay strong. Put your breastplate, shield on, because we are at war, but we just got to know how to make it and how to survive, okay? So that's what I wanted to tell you guys. So yeah, with that being said, I'm going to turn this camera around. I'm going to get started for some of the video today, and then when I come back, I'll finish up, okay? All right, y'all, hold the line, please. Guys, I hope you're liking what you see so far. So once I come back home, because all I have to do now is the shelf. I already got measurements on the wall or whatever. Got to do the shelf. And somebody insisted for my birthday, here's some money, go buy you something, something. So I bought 2 candles. I'll show you guys where I got them from. But I just wanted to show you guys outfit of the day. Very casual. Got my hair out today. I like it. Blue jean jacket, tank. It's a really nice day, like 77 flip-flop. So I'll see you guys once I get home later. All right, now, hold the line. Hey guys, I'm back. So hopefully y'all can see me. Y'all, it is so beautiful here in Ohio. And that thing that they air wick, y'all, that owl and musk thing, the air wick diffuser, when I came home through the back, y'all, the whole house is lit up. I have to find some more of those because whew, they are absolutely amazing. Y'all, look at my plants. Look at that. We got new, we got different colors. We got light pink here. They're still blooming. Marigolds are still blooming, very fallish. all them like, right, y'all? Pretty, pretty, pretty. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the candles that I picked up, and then I'll probably show you everything else while it's together, okay? Hold the line. All right, y'all, real quick. So here are the two candles that I got from Aldi's. I just went on and got them for my Earth Day because someone said buy yourself something, and I'm thinking I don't need anything, so I'll get these. But these are Huntington Home, guys, and I like this bottle with this glass container because guess what? She can use this her own for something else. This is vanilla scented candle. These are soy blend candles, which is blessing. So this is the first one I got. Has a really nice top on it, as you can see. And then I got Huntington Home Rose Water and Sangria, which is also soy blend. Guys, these are 3-wick candles. Look at that. So beautiful. So yeah, I got these two. And I'm going to be putting this one on the shelf. So we're going to go ahead. This is 3-wick too. We're going to go ahead and tackle that shelf. And I'm going to put this one on it. But guys, that air wick got my whole home smelling amazing. So guys, let's get this shelf together and we'll come back for more. Alright guys, that's going to do it for me today. If you like this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to go get you some candles. You guys although know I'm not really a big candle person. I like essential oils, incense, and things like that. But $3.99, and then someone told me to treat myself, so I did it. So go check out the soy candles from Aldi's, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.